This is a real way to earn some money. So if you really want to make money online, then keep watching this video till
Copy.
the end.
Okay, control C. Step 2, you just have to paste some of the things, and step 3, you will be receiving money in your account. Okay, so this is something which I'm going to share with you, a 3-step formula to make some money online. Really interesting, as well as this can be something which any one of you can do, and it does not require any kind of expertise or any kind of skill. Okay, because everyone knows how to press Control C and Control V. Okay, so in this video everything will be covered step by step. Keep watching this video till the end. So the first step you need to do is just go to this website. Okay, let me show you that website, which is really interesting, and that website is known as digistore24.com. now this is a website just like ClickBank, where you can find products to promote. This is really something which is one of the best website, and this is the website which I love the most, because this website gives you an opportunity to make money online without having any problems. Okay, so you can utilize this website and start earning some decent income in a very quick matter of time. Okay, so now the first thing you need to do is you need to come to this website, click on over here. Okay, so this is your affiliate link. You can sign up for Digistore24 from any country in the world, and it pays you money in any country of the world. Okay, so you just need to copy this your link. Okay, so you just had copied. Now this is one of the weight loss product which I am trying to promote. Okay, so we'll be promoting this product. Okay, so I just copied the affiliate link of this product. Okay, now the second step you need to do is you need to go to this website, which is known as plrplr.com. just remember, it is plrplr.com. now once you go to this website, you can see there is here you can find something which is known as weight loss. Okay, so you can see there are a lot of weight loss articles which you can utilize. Okay, so you just need to open some of the weight loss articles, whichever you like the most, and let's have some very simple articles. Okay, so this one seems good to me, so let's just open this article. Okay, so now you have got a weight loss article. Now this is a PLR article, that means public label rights article, means you can utilize this articles anywhere. Okay, so you have got the right to use this articles. Now all you need to do is just copy this article. Okay, you just need to just copy this article from here to here. So okay, we just copied the article. We have also got our affiliate link, which is regarding a weight loss product, and this is an article which is regarding some some weight loss. Okay, which is also regarding weight loss. Okay, so first two steps are clear. Okay, now the third step is going to be really simple. Now first thing you can do is that you can create a PowerPoint presentation utilizing this articles, but it may take some effort, but it is worth doing it. But I will recommend you that what you can do is that you can either create a PowerPoint presentation out of it, or you can create a document out of it. Okay, so let's create a document out of it, as well as we will be pasting our affiliate link in this article. Okay, so we have just pasted the entire article over here. Okay, so I think this highlight thing has to be removed. Okay, so just click on over here. Okay, and just click on this remove this highlight, and click on none. Okay, so you can see the highlight has been removed. Let's just remove over here also. Just click over here and then click on none. So you can see all this highlight should be removed. Okay, just click and then say none. Okay, so I don't think we need this stuff, so we are just going to remove this. Okay, now the thing you can do is that what you need to do is that there are some you can just give it a good title. Okay, any of the title whichever you like. Okay, so here is the title. We will give this document a title. Okay, so we went to Google Slides, Google Docs, and we are just gonna give it a title. Okay, I don't know why this happens whenever you click, but it is easily removable, so don't worry about that. Okay, just click on this none and most of it will get removed. Okay, so we just have to remove this as we don't need it and lose weight. Okay, so now once we have done this, now we just need to paste our affiliate links in this article. Okay, so let's just do this. Just highlight this portion over here and you can see there is a link section over here. You can just insert link. Okay, so once we have opened this, we are again going to Digistore. We are just going to click on this and Control C. Okay, and just come over here and just paste your link. Okay, and just click on this apply. So in this way you just have to paste your link on 2 to 3 places in your article. So the first place is over here. Now let me show you a second place where you can just wherever something like weight loss is written, where you can just give the link. Okay, like let's just give over here. Okay, just let's just select this also and just select this link. Just post your affiliate link and click on apply. Okay, this is the affiliate link which we don't want. We can just click on this, click on affiliate link. Okay, so you can just provide affiliate links how many wherever you want. Okay, don't just spam the entire article with affiliate links. Just place it on 2 to 3 places where you think that it is needed to be placed. Okay, so once that is done, your affiliate links have been posted over here on this website. Now all you need to do is you have created a good PDF. Now you just need, and you can just download this as PDF document. Okay, just download it to your computer as a PDF. So now you can see this is downloaded to my computer. Okay, so once you have downloaded this PDF, all you need to do is go to this website that is known as slideshare.net. Now this is one of the best website where people are sharing their PowerPoint presentations as well as PDFs. So if you have created a PowerPoint presentation, you can share it over here, as well as if you have created a PDF, you can share it on this website. Okay, so all you need to do is, let me show you some of my uploads, because the thing is that when you upload this type of articles, now they get views. See, you can see this article has got 5 views. Okay, in this way you just have to post consistently on this, and day by day your articles will get a lot of views. Okay, so all you need to do is click on this upload button and just put this file. Okay, so now you just need to give some title. Okay, now let's just see whatever was the title. Eliminate negative thoughts and lose weight. So let's just write it. Eliminate thoughts and lose weight. See, okay, now you just need to post something from the article. So let's just post this 2 paragraphs. Okay, then just go over here, remove this. Okay, now just go on the top and just write it here. Excerpt from this article. Okay, that means this is a small part of this article. Okay, so that if people want, then they can read it. Okay, now just that is done, you just need to select your category over here. So our is going to be health care or health and medicine, any of this which you can select. Okay, so let's just select healthcare. Okay, the privacy should be public. Then you just need to add some tags like weight loss diet, lose weight loss. Okay, that's not there. Just go for another keyword, fitness. Okay, diet. Okay, then health. Okay, so just put in 5 to 6 tags, okay, according to you. Okay, so once you have done all this, now you can see so now this article of your is ready. It contains your affiliate link as well as those who are interested in this. All you need to down click is this publish button. So once your article is published on SlideShare, you can see this article is now published on SlideShare. Okay, and you will see that in this way you can publish a lot of articles on SlideShare. Okay, regarding different products and different share your affiliate links. Okay, you can see already there is one view on this article. Okay, so in this way what you can do is you can create the multiple articles just like this, not just regarding weight loss, regarding very different topics, and just keep on uploading those articles. People come to this website, they will see your article, they will click on the affiliate link, and if they purchase anything, then you are going to receive a commission. And let me show you that how much traffic so let me show you. SimilarWeb, let's go to SimilarWeb and let's search for how much traffic this website gets. Okay, and this is SlideShare, and the thing is that it gets millions of traffic. Okay, so let's just click on slideshare.net. okay, now you can see that how many people visit this website. According to that, you can just understand what kind of so you can see 140 million people visit this website every single month. So there is a huge audience for you. Okay, if you are able to upload 100 or 100 more than 100 articles just like this on SlideShare, there is a huge chance that you will get some very good affiliate traffic, as well as you will be able to promote your affiliate products with this. And the thing is that it is really simple to do. It does not take any extraordinary amount of skill to do this, and any one of you, absolutely any one of you, can do it and get advantage of this 140 million plus traffic from this platform. Okay, so definitely try this out, and this is something which really makes money for a lot of people, and it can also make money for you. I hope you have got some value out of this video. Press the like button, smash the subscribe button. See you in the next video. Until then, stay happy, stay subscribed, and thanks for watching.